In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized interface that turns your base into a clean snapshot of the information that matters most, whether you're tracking projects, tasks, sales, or clients. First, open the Airtable base where you want the dashboard to live. Choose the base that already contains the data you want to visualize. It helps if your fields are clearly labeled so your charts and lists make sense at a glance. At the top of Airtable, click Interfaces. This is where you'll build the visual layer that sits on top of your tables and brings your records to life. Next, create a new interface by selecting New Interface. This starts a guided setup that will take you from concept to a working dashboard in just a few clicks. Give your dashboard a clear, memorable name, then click Next. A concise name makes it easy for you and your team to find the right interface later, especially if you build more dashboards over time. Now choose a layout. If you want a high-level overview with multiple visual components, pick the dashboard layout. If your goal is to review individual records one at a time, Record Review is a great fit. If you prefer total flexibility, select the blank layout and place elements exactly where you want them. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use and read your data. Select the table your dashboard will draw from, such as projects, tasks, sales, or clients. Your choice determines which fields are available for charts, numbers, and lists. So pick the table that contains the records you want to summarize. Click Finish. Airtable will instantly generate the interface framework so you can start building. Click Add element to place your first component. Charts are perfect for trends and comparisons. Numbers highlight key metrics like totals and averages. Lists display sets of records with key fields visible. Record details let you open a single record with full context. Mix and match these to create a balanced, informative view. Customize your dashboard by arranging and resizing elements until the layout feels intuitive. Use filters to focus on just the records you care about. Apply sorting to bring the most important items to the top, and group information to reveal patterns by status, owner, or category. Small tweaks here make a big difference in clarity. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Your Airtable custom dashboard is now live and ready to use. You can always revisit the interface to refine visuals, adjust filters, and keep your insights fresh as your data evolves. Thanks for watching.